All right, good morning. This is Mr. Cornier. We're going to be talking about benchmark 21, multiplying polynomials. This is going to be in two parts. So the first part is this: we're going to multiply a polynomial just by a monomial. Welcome back, Mr. Cornier. Example number one, multiplying a polynomial by a monomial. So here's our monomial, and here goes our polynomial. And it has three terms. We'll call that a trinomial. Okay, the first thing you want to do when you're approaching this problem is you want to distribute this 6y and you want to distribute it to the 4y. So you'll just multiply that. So 6 times 4, and then y times y squared. You have a total of 3 y's. I'm unfazed by my son. All right, then the second term right here, you want to go 6y times 9y. So 6 times negative 9, give you a second for that. Should be able to crank that out, 54. And then y times another y, you have a total of 2 y's. And then you have 6y times negative 7. So 6 times 7, 42. And then that y is still on the first monomial, so you just bring that over. So it'll be negative 42y. Notice that it's in descending order, 3, 2, 1 for the exponents, and that is going to be our answer. All right. If you have any questions on this example, pause it. Let me know so I can come and help you out. This is Mr. Cornier. You have a chance in this guided practice to find the product of 3x times the quantity of 2x squared plus 3x plus 5. You could pause this, go rewind back, and try to distribute the 3x to each term here, and try to pick the best value here, A, B, C, or D. Remember, when you're taking down these notes, hopefully you're writing down some notes prior to this example, but you need a 70% or better to get completion on this. So let me know if you need any help. Good luck. Welcome back, Mr. Cornier. You got the last one correct. So let's keep moving on, and let's see if we can get some more understanding here. All right, so let me change this to green. We want to go ahead and simplify this expression. There's a lot going on here, so let's focus right over here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute the 3 to the 2t squared. 3 times 2 is 6. And then you have 3 times negative 4t, which is going to be your negative 3 times 4 is 12. And then the last one you want to distribute is that 3 to the negative 15, which is negative. 3 times 15 is 45. Wonderful. All right, so we finished up our first product here. So now what I want to do is I want to change this color. Let's go blue. And let's figure out the product for this second quantity. So let's go 6t times 5t. That'll be positive. 6 times 5 is 30. And t times t is going to be t squared. And the next one you have here is 6t times 2, which is going to be 12t. All right, in our last benchmark, 21, we went to combine like terms, so let's go ahead and let's combine those terms. So let's see, change the color here. Let's go black. All right, 6t squared plus 30t squared gives us 36t squared. you have negative 12t plus 12t, which is 0t. And then the leftover one you have here is negative 45. So the last thing you want to do here is just simplify the 0t, which is going to cancel out. And our final answer is going to be 36 t squared minus 45. If you have any questions on example 2, or if you have any questions on the worksheet, let me know, and I'll assist you. All right. Good luck. Have a good one. All right, welcome back. This is a guided practice. This is your chance to take your time, work this out on the dry erase board. You can do it on your notes, but try to come up with the answer A, B, C, or D. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll talk to you later. Bye.